In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore deleted boards in Monday.com quickly and easily. If you've ever accidentally deleted a board or someone on your team removed one and you need it back fast, don't worry. Monday.com keeps deleted boards in the trash and you can restore them in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can recover your board along with all of its items, columns, updates, and activity history. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the recycle bin inside Monday.com. To get there, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and workspace settings. From that menu, select the option labeled Trash. In some accounts, it may also appear as Recycle Bin, but it functions the same way. Click on Trash and this will open a page that shows a list of all deleted items in your account. This includes deleted boards, groups, items, and pulses. Take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the board you want to restore. You can typically identify it by name, and depending on your account settings, you may also see information about when it was deleted. This trash area acts as a safety net, so as long as the board hasn't been permanently deleted from the system, you'll be able to recover it from here. Once you've found the board you want to bring back, restoring it is very straightforward. Next to the name of the deleted board, you'll see a Restore button. Simply click on Restore. As soon as you do this, Monday.com will automatically begin the recovery process. The board will be restored to its original workspace location, exactly where it was before it was deleted. That means you won't need to recreate the structure or move it manually. Even better, all of the board's data will come back with it. This includes every item on the board, all column data, status updates, files, comments, activity logs, automations, and any other information that was previously there. Nothing gets stripped away during the restore process. After clicking Restore, navigate back to your workspace and confirm that the board has reappeared. You should see it listed just like before. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing your browser to update the view. And that's all there is to it. Restoring a deleted board in Monday.com only takes a few clicks using the trash feature, and it brings back all of your important data without any extra setup. Just remember to act promptly, since permanently deleted items can't always be recovered later. If this video helped you restore your board, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.